go, little babies. Jeez. Scared the shit out of me. Stay. Stay on this garbage here. Everything smells like gas. It's really heavy back here. Like it really smells like gas. Snuck a gas tank back here. And I poured the whole motherfucker over the hill. The whole motherfucker. Halfway up the hill. It's right here. I actually cleared a small area somewhere over here over the winter, thinking I could make a second hill. And I think I cleared one like way back there somewhere too. It's probably covered up with weeds by now. But I cleared one way back there. We already cleared out that entire area though, around the front of the yard. So, here's the hill. I poured gasoline over everything. It's already starting to die. It's already all starting to die. Starting to get a little brown. Poured it all up here. Poured it on that fern. Poured it everywhere. Everywhere. So hopefully everything up here dies. Just for an extra measure. Shit, I just need to walk on enough to kill it. I did pour gasoline on the entire hill. Just waved it everywhere and soaked the fucking hill. So all this should die because of that. Anyway, so some of that's probably seeped into the ground and leaked down here. That's probably why these weeds down here are getting kind of thin.